Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Aishwarya. If you're new here and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. I really want this community to grow, and we recently hit 2000 subscribers. I know it's not a big deal, but it's a big deal for me, so yay, I'm very happy. So yeah, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Anyway, that's a lot of ranting. Let's move on to today's video. I'm super excited about today's video because it's going to be about my favorite concealer right now, like the favorite concealer right now, and it is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Love this concealer so much. As you can already see, packaging is a little dirty. Anyway, this is such a beautiful concealer. We'll go on to the review, but that is how the packaging looks. It comes in a really pretty pink color, baby pink color packaging with golden details here, and it says it's a multi-use sculpting concealer. Conceal, contour, highlight and retouch. What does this have? It is infused with coconut water, which is in delicately replenishing skin's moisture levels. Coconut water is anyway really good. It has alpine rose, helps empower skin's health and resilience. Hyaluronic acid, which is my favorite product, gives a smoother and a very youthful appearance, which is what I want. I don't know about you, but that's what I want. So yeah, it is hydrating, long wearing, photo friendly and non-comedogenic. That is all about what they say about the product on the packaging and its main ingredients. Hydrating concealer, which is amazing because I have really dry skin, and a hydrating concealer is a win-win for me. I am in the shade Sand. Now this is a perfect match for me. As you know, I do not opt for really highlighting concealers. I like concealers that are my skin tone because I don't apply foundation ever, actually, only when I'm really trying to get ready, or not on a general basis, or even when I shoot videos, I apply concealers. This is how the bottle looks. How luxurious does this bottle look? I really like how it looks. It's so heavy. You know, when something's really heavy, it feels very luxurious. I don't know if you guys feel that, but you know, when something is really heavy and really, you know, just heavy, it just feels very luxurious. It's such a big bottle. So there's one thing that I noticed about this, and many other people have noticed, obviously. It's a 15 ml concealer. Now generally with concealers you get 6 ml, 8 ml. I've not seen a concealer that comes with so much product, so that's a win-win. It is expensive. It's for 1900 rupees, but the product that you get with it's gonna go a long way. That is how the wand looks. It's a huge wand, so you won't have to dip in again and again to remove product. It's a beautiful wand. You know, it'll sit really nice. Anyway, yeah, that is all about the packaging and the bottle. This concealer has 32 shades, which is a beautiful variety of ranges. It starts from really fair skin tones, really, you know, white ivory sort of skin tones, to really dark cocoa chocolatey skin tones. So it has a beautiful inclusive range, so that's very nice. It's very hydrating. So all my dry skin girls out there, if you're looking for a really nice luxury concealer that'll go a long way, this is your baby. So now let's start with a demo. I'll do one side with the sponge and one side with a brush, and I have been liking using a brush way more than a sponge. I know this brush that I've been using, the Ruby Organics one, has really helped me start liking brushes. I'm going to do one side with the either, and let us start. So as I showed you, that is how the wand looks. I remove the excess product always. I don't like taking a lot of product starting me. So I'm going to keep this right here, and we're going to start. I'm super excited to show you how this works on my skin. I'm going to start applying it from here. So as I've told you, our inner areas are the most darkest, so you should always start from there. And I'm going to apply 3 dots. I don't like applying a lot of product, like, you know, going all the whole V thing. I don't think it looks good on me. At least it's too much product and it looks too, you know, made up. Anyway, I'm going to be using the sponge this side, and we are going to start blending. I see how beautifully it's blending. Like, wow. Every time I use it, I get excited. It's such a fantastic product. I'm gonna blend it. It has completely vanished into my skin. Can you guys see? Like, this side and this side is just completely gone into my skin. So this is the side with the sponge, and I'm gonna build up the coverage a little bit to show you guys how it would look, because I removed all the product. So I'm gonna take a little bit here and here. Now the color that I chose, Sand, it has a really beautiful yellow undertone, which is what I like. I'm going to pull whatever extra product is there down, because I don't like applying foundation, and I want to show you how beautifully it blends. Now whenever you blend your concealer under your eyes, it's good to look up and blend so that it doesn't sit in the lines. That is a sponge. It's raining and there's some. Please ignore that. That is the sponge side, completely blended. Look how beautiful it looks. It's so seamless. The color is completely melted into my skin. And now we're going to do this side with the brush. Again, I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3 dots. And I'm just going to start blending it. Easily it's blended. I cannot stress enough how amazing of a concealer this is. This is how the brush side looks. I'm going to add up the coverage just to show you how buildable it is. I'm going to be applying 2 dots here just as I did there. It's starting to rain. Rainy season can be a trouble for filming, but nothing's gonna stop me. Anyway, let's come back here. I'm gonna blend it. It doesn't look cakey. I added up on the coverage. It looks beautiful. It still looks so natural. It just looks so beautiful. That's the only thing I get for this concealer, you know, like it's so beautiful. I generally don't put anything over my lids, but if you want to do that and if you don't want your color, if you don't want your lids to show, please don't mind the sound. You can cover it up, but I don't like doing that. This is how my skin is looking after applying the concealer. I'm going to come close so that you guys can see my skin really well. Can you guys see my skin still looks hydrated and really plumpy? That's what the coconut water does. It does not let your skin go really, you know, dry and flaky. And I'm done applying the concealer. I'm not going to set it with any powder. If you have oily skin, please set it because it's a very hydrating concealer, and that is how it looks. This has to be my favorite concealer, like just has to be. I'm gonna buy it always, always, always. Let's sum up the whole video with the pros and cons. Honestly, cons, I don't have any except for the fact that it is expensive. It's for 1900 rupees. It will burn a small hole in your pocket every time you buy it. If you're a college going student and if you can save up for it with from your pocket money, do that. You're gonna love it. If you're anywhere near my skin tone, NC42, NC40, sand is a beautiful, perfect match for you. And pros, it's a long list. First of all, it's extremely hydrating. It's what I look for in every product because I have really dry skin. Color range is beautiful. It's very inclusive. Quantity is very good. It's going to go on for a very long time. I already know, especially if you apply a less product like me, this bottle is going to last you for a long time. And just the product in general is very good quality. It's supreme quality. It's very luxurious, and you get what you pay for. You literally get what you pay for. If you're looking to buy a good high-end concealer, please try this out. If you can find your match, you'll really like it. And if you're a dry skin girl, you're gonna love it because this has become my favorite concealer of all times, at least till now. Yeah, that was all about the concealer. Is it AB approved? 1000% AB approved. It's AB approved. I don't know what that meant, but I love this concealer so much. I want to try the foundation. Whenever I do, I will put a review on that. And that's all for this video. I really hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You know the drill. Also follow me on my Instagram. As you can see there's a bed sheet hanging down. That's a makeshift background for my Instagram. So I do a lot of short videos on Instagram, fun stuff, lifestyle, everything and anything that I like. So my Instagram link will be here. Follow me on my Instagram. I'm super active there. And yeah, I'm gonna catch you really soon in my next video. Until then, bye. Also, this concealer is